This is our term 1 last chapter, chapter number 4, our environment. This is book B. Today we are going to solve the question answers given here. See children, first question is, this both questions are done in our worksheet, but then also I am going to explain you this question. What is environment? Name some of its living and non-living components. Now, environment refers to our surroundings. Which are the two example of living things? Living things is plants, animals, birds and human beings. Human being means we all. Non-living components is land, water and air. These are the non-living components. Now see children, this question is in worksheet. Lavi visits a shop factory. Sees smoke coming out of the factory chimney. Lavi also noticed factory garbage being dumped into a nearby water body. Soon she feels like sneezing and her eyes start watering. Lavi doesn't want to visit this place again. So why Lavi doesn't want to visit this place? Because there was smoke coming out in the factory that causes Lavi feels sneezing and her eyes started watering it. Then Lavi doesn't like to visit that place again. Lavi also noticed that in this factory garbage was thrown into water body which was nearby the factory. Why is Lavi feeling uncomfortable? She was feeling uncomfortable because she was suffocated by the smoke coming out of the factory. She feels like sneezing. That is called suffocated. She can't breathe the air properly. Which components of the environment are mentioned in this passage? See children, here throwing garbage into water body, that is one, and another one, smoke coming out of factory. Smoke gets air pollution and garbage dump get water pollution. So air and water pollution are mentioned in this passage. Now see children, next page. Here these all, observe these pictures. All pictures are given different types of, and you have to mention each of the represent a type of pollution. Write A for air pollution, W for water pollution, L for land pollution and N for noise pollution. Now number 1 is cigarette. Cigarette smoke is coming here. See, so this is air pollution. This is burning crackers. This is both air also and noise also. So A and N both will write. This is garbage thrown into water. So this is water pollution. Here smoke coming out of vehicle. This is air pollution. These speakers are there. Due to speaker we get noise pollution. So N. This is garbage thrown into land. So this is land pollution. Now next is, see, garbage is thrown into water. So this is water pollution. This garbage is gone on a truck and throwing on a land. So this is land pollution. Here is smoke coming out of the factory. So this is air pollution. Now next page, see children. Here complete the table by giving 2 examples of each. First one, types of pollution, effect of the pollution on human beings, effect of the pollution on plants, effect of the pollution on animals. Due to air, what happens? Human beings, we get breathing problem. We can't breathe properly if air is polluted. Then effect on plants. Plants die because of harmful pollutant. Plants die due to the polluted air. Animals get lung problems. Animals also get lung problems like us. So animals get lung problem. Then next, by water. Human being causes diarrhea and jaundice. If we drink this water, we get diarrhea and jaundice. These two diseases we get. Diarrhea, you know children, the dust coming out from our body, and jaundice, our eyes and skin becomes yellow. Due to this water pollution, if we give this water to the plants die due to watering polluted water. If we give this polluted water to the plants also die. And what happened to the animals? Aquatic animals, children. Aquatic animals are those animals which lives in water. Aquatic animals die in this polluted water. Now same children, this is land. By land, what happens to human beings, what happens to plants, and what happens to animals. Land pollution, plants grown in such soil, we may get cancer. See, cancer disease is caused by the plants which grow in such polluted land, in soil, polluted soil. Some plants grow, and that plants food which we eat, human being get cancer. Now what about plants? Plants do not grow in this soil. Now see, if land is polluted, in that land plant does not grow. And animals, what happen? Animals eat waste in the land, and it may get sick or die. Now we throw dust, plastic dust, everything, plastic bags in garbage. You also children, you may also throwing wrappers of any wafer, biscuits. These all are lying on the land, and animals eat this, and they get sick or they may also die. So children, this is the table that types of pollution are here: air, water and land. Then effect of pollution in human beings are here. Then effects of pollution on plants. Then these are here, effect of pollution on animals. And this table is also here. First I will read again. Air, breathing problem, plants die because of harmful pollutants, animals get lung problem. Then second one, water causes diarrhea and jaundice, plants die due to watering polluted water, aquatic animals die. Then third one is land, plants grown in such soil we may get cancer, which we food which we eat from these plants, that if we eat we may get cancer. Then plants do not grow in the soil. Like this polluted land, plant doesn't grow. Then animals eat waste in the land, and it may get sick or die. By throwing waste on the land, animals may fall sick or they may die. Now see children, this chapter number 4, book B, page number 20, 21 and 22. These all 3 pages you have to fill up in your book B. Now thank you children, complete it and be safe, be good in class at home, and do your work properly. If you can't understand, please you can ask me.